If you've seen the video made by these guys showing moments deserving of the Price is Right's loser Foghorn noise, you will pretty much know what this video is here. Before we get started, let me tell you that you will see writing on the bottom of the screen. Do not worry about that. If you see that, it's just because I used movies I previously made. Enjoy! Learn to pronounce names.
From Brad Keselowski to one of my excuse me, one point, my top lip before you. I got tongue-tied there with that name.
This term for a long-handled gardening tool can also mean an immoral pleasure seeker. Ken?
What's a hoe?
No. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Watch this tire now. Now that's adding no salt in. You know, I mean, that is really the ultimate right there. That did the biggest damage to the car, look like.
Name something with a hole in the middle. Michelle?
Hole punch.
I know everyone in America said what the audience did. What'd she say?
Notice Mark Martin, who pulls out, then stops. He must have known something was wrong. And he was correct. Here's what happened as he moved to turn one. A substitute tire changer had mistakenly loosened the lug nuts on the left rear, and the tire came off.
Is it Wheel of Fortune? Well, what? The shortest, you have, congratulations, the shortest, the team that lasted the shortest of anybody in the history of greed on my question. Of course, it would be me. I did Wheel of Fortune. I didn't do singled out.
Hey, pop quiz! Where is this track at?
Sweeps at Bristol. Richmond.
Where are we, Bill?
Richmond.
You big dummy.
Too excited. Got too excited.
What's the price of number 3? 1985.
That's that guy right there. Wait, nobody saw you. Don't worry. Watch. He's going to look for the camera. Anybody see me?
Race fans, quit asking me. Yeah. Quit saying, hey Johnny Benson, give me an autograph. I'm not Johnny Benson.
Identical twins,
We're not the same
separated
person.
at birth.
So if you weren't worried about us driving, why'd you bring a Hans and a helmet?
Yeah, well, I wasn't going to say it.
In the back seat.
Name a type of bean. That's baked bean. Another answer. That's bean.
What happens when you take a former NBA All-Star with a passion for racing and give him a ringside seat at Talladega? Watch Brad Doherty. Watch this accident here.
Brad looks like he's studying for a test.
No, you think he's pumped up now? Brad Doherty.
Oh, yeah.
7-time NBA All-Star.
Kensett took a hard hit.
Oh, and a hard head. Donnie Nuremberg at 52 goes tumbling down the backstretch and then in the inside wall.
Go for it.
You broke our wheel.
Short track, 6.86 miles around this. I mean, we're talking about a short track, less than 7/10.
Steve Austin. Steve Austin is a big bad professional wrestler, fully known as
The Crusher. I'll agree.
You fool!
Stone Cold, girl.
Stone Cold Steve Austin.
All right, Kenny. Second in practice. What do you think about that Pennzoil Chevrolet? Can you put it on the pole? Wait a minute. Well, Matt, you know, I think the car's... That's not Matt. Matt Yoakum. No, I'm Matt Yoakum, superstar reporter. Look. See? Got a belt. Power Ranger Matt. But so, how's your car? Let me get a pen and I'm going to start taking notes of who I need to pay back. Superstar reporter.
Yes, we even have clips from the non-sacred worlds or sub-worlds, including racing's biggest idiot. Yes, even more than Carl Edwards.
Well, you know, you turn somebody around in the pit lane, you should get a penalty for it. Castro Neves is still out on the track, no penalty administered. So I got a bent up car, and I'm out of the race when I had a podium finishing car.
Point boner girls, on what night of the week?
make sure you need to try it.
Hold it, don't touch it, don't. Oh.
Yes, it's a penny.
Don't touch it.
There isn't a card in there.
Touch it.
Hey, who took all the fish? He did.
Inside NASCAR Select, because weather can be a real.
$5,100, Shane. What do you want to do?
I'll solve.
Go ahead.
Mustard-filled chocolatey clear.
If you race Johnny Benson idiotically, Benson-type karma will bite you in the butt. For those of you who don't know, Benson-type karma is where you get taken out in the same event, and 999 times out of 1,000, Benson ain't why.
It's going to be 3 abreast down the braking zone for turn 1, perhaps. Danny Way trying to come back on Farnsworth. Billy gets it done. Big contact.
You know, I saw that coming. He was offline coming into turn 1. He was too narrow on the left-hand side. Not enough room to hit the apex, and you see the result.
What do you call a female peafowl?
Peacockus?
Which is somewhere in New Jersey, Secaucus, New Jersey.
There it is. Piece of paper. No, please don't tell me it's paper. Piece of paper. Let's see, again, just like what happened to us in Charlotte.
The good news for Jimmy Johnson, who leads. The bad news for Denny Hamlin. That's some driving right there.
Big Bucks, no way, stop! Stop it, double whammy!
Lap car. Yeah, trying to get his left back. Ooh, runs right in the back of Greg Sachs. As Ernie was trying to catch the car number 5 with Terry Labonte, who was leading the race. Then Gordon, of course, comes up and hits Ernie Irvan.